In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload activity in Strava app. This is perfect for those times when you completed a workout but didn't record it live. We'll use the manual activity option to add everything clearly and accurately so it shows up just like your other activities. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your feed, then look toward the bottom of the screen for the plus icon. Tap that plus icon to bring up your creation options. From there, select Manual Activity. This tells Strava you want to enter the workout after the fact, rather than recording it in real time. Begin by adding a title. Keep it short and descriptive so you can recognize it later, something like morning run by the river or 30-minute strength session. Next, write a description. This is optional but helpful for context. You can note how you felt, weather conditions, intervals you did, or anything you want to remember for future training. Choose the activity or sport that best matches what you did. Strava supports a wide range: running, cycling, walking, hiking, strength training, yoga, and more. So pick the most accurate category. This ensures your stats and insights line up properly with your training. If you captured moments from your session, add photos or videos. These make your activity more engaging and help you revisit the experience later. Tap to attach media from your device and choose the best shot as the cover if that option appears. Now complete the activity stats needed. Enter the date and time to reflect when the workout happened. Add duration and distance if applicable. Once those are filled, Strava will automatically calculate pace or speed. If elevation gain, cadence, or heart rate are available from your notes or devices, enter those as well to make the record more complete. Be as accurate as you can so your training log stays useful. Check the additional details and visibility settings. Details may include things like workout type or perceived effort, which help you track intensity over time. For visibility, pick who can see this activity: everyone, followers, or only you, depending on your preference for privacy and sharing. When everything looks good, tap Save Activity. Strava will post it to your profile and feed based on the visibility you chose. That's it. Your workout is now part of your training history, ready to analyze and celebrate. If you ever need to make changes, you can open the activity later and edit the fields you entered.